Freshly harvested potatoes are gathered from the fields. Workers load them carefully into trucks to prevent bruising. During transport, the potatoes are handled with care to maintain freshness. At the factory, they are unloaded for processing. At the factory, every batch of potatoes is inspected. Workers and automated systems check for size, freshness, color, and defects. Potatoes that do not meet quality standards are removed. The approved potatoes pass through automatic sorting machines, where they are separated by size. Using potatoes of similar size helps produce evenly sliced chips that cook consistently. The sorted potatoes enter large washing drums filled with clean water. Powerful sprays and rotating brushes remove soil, dust, and other debris from the surface. This process ensures the potatoes are thoroughly cleaned and ready for further processing. As the potatoes continue through the washing system, heavy particles such as stones, sand, and remaining dirt are separated and removed. This ensures only clean potatoes move forward. Clean potatoes enter an automatic peeling machine. Most large factories use steam peelers or abrasive peelers to remove the thin outer skin quickly while minimizing waste. After peeling, the potatoes are rinsed with clean water to remove any remaining pieces of skin and loose starch. This leaves the surface clean and ready for slicing. The rotary blades slice the potatoes into thin, uniform pieces in just a fraction of a second. Consistent thickness is essential to ensure every chip cooks evenly. Automated systems continuously monitor the thickness of the potato slices. Laser sensors precisely measure each slice in real time. If the slices are too thick or too thin, this maintains consistent thickness and high product quality. The freshly sliced potatoes move along the conveyor toward the fryer. They are now prepared for the cooking process, where they will transform into crispy, golden potato chips. The potato slices are cooked in hot vegetable oil at a carefully controlled temperature. As they fry, moisture inside the slices evaporates, creating their signature crispy texture. Once cooled, the crispy potato chips move to the seasoning section. They are now ready to receive their final flavors before packaging. Sensors show seasoning at 98%. Maintaining consistency. Appearance uniform. No flabbergastes. Confirmed. Keeping the flow steady. Excellent coverage. The seasoned potato chips are now crisp, flavorful, and fully prepared for the packaging process, where they will be weighed, bagged, and sealed to preserve freshness. Before the bag is sealed, food-grade nitrogen gas is added. This helps protect the chips from crushing and slows oxidation, keeping them fresh and crispy for longer. The top of the bag is heat sealed to create an airtight package. This seal protects the chips from moisture and outside contamination during storage and transportation. The packaging machine prints the production date, best before date, and batch number on every bag, allowing the product to be identified and traced if needed.
Choose your people, choose your time, choose to be vibrant, choose to feel yourself, choose to transcend, choose to be your own friend. They will come. Like the sun, like the sun. They will be.
The approved chip bags are automatically counted and grouped according to the required carton size. This ensures each carton contains the correct number of bags. The automated packing machines efficiently place the grouped bags into cardboard cartons. The bags are arranged neatly to prevent damage during transport. This automated process ensures consistent and secure packaging. Sealed cartons move by conveyor to the warehouse and shipping area. Here, they are prepared for delivery to supermarkets, convenience stores, and retailers around the world. This efficient process ensures global supply chains run smoothly. Once fully stacked, each pallet is wrapped with stretch film by an automatic pallet whopper. This secures the cartons together and protects them from dust, moisture, and shifting during shipping. Transporting these wrapped pallets to the finished goods warehouse. Placing them in designated storage locations now. These are ready to ship when orders come in. Scanning barcode on pallet for batch IPK 2023-45.
Scan successful. 50 units logged for Chicago.
Reading RFID on pallet in the updated.
Read successful. 100 units confirmed for New York. Verifying shipment for order 12345. Checking quantities now.
Pallet loaded, ready for the next one. Confirmed, all 20 boxes are correct and secured.
Final check complete. Shipment ready for dispatch.
The trucks transport the potato chips to distribution centers and retail stores. From there, the products are delivered to supermarkets, convenience stores, and other retailers across the region. All right, let's get these fresh chips on the shelves.
Sounds good. These are the new barbecue and original flavors.
Great, customers will love them. Let's arrange them neatly.
Okay, all stocked, ready for customers.
Perfect, fresh and ready. The potato chips are now available in supermarkets, convenience stores, and retail shops. Every bag has completed its journey from the farm to the shelf. The process starts with carefully selected fresh potatoes. They are washed, peeled, and sliced into thin pieces. The slices are fried at a precise temperature until golden. Next, they are seasoned and sent for packaging. Automated machines form bags and fill them with chips. Modern potato chip factories use automated machinery, precision sensors, and computer-controlled systems to maintain high production speed while ensuring consistent quality. Quality checks begin with potato selection, ensuring only the best move forward. Next, slices are inspected for size and quality on the line. These steps, sealed bags are checked for weight, strict food safety, and quality standards. Nitrogen-filled packaging and airtight seals help keep the chips fresh, crispy, and flavorful until the package is opened by the customer. This process locks in the quality, so every bite is as delicious as every tended. Enjoy. Millions of bags of potato chips are produced every day and distributed to stores around the world, making them one of the most popular snack foods globally. And that's how potato chips are made in a modern factory. From freshly harvested potatoes to the crispy snack you enjoy every day. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next factory tour.